The 2024 Kia Seltos has garnered praise from automotive journalists and industry experts alike. Its stylish design, spacious interior and comprehensive list of features have made it a standout in the competitive compact SUV segment. Car and Driver commends the Seltos for its stylish design, spacious interior and good fuel economy. Kelley Blue Book praises the Seltos for its value-packed pricing, comfortable ride, and user-friendly technology. Motor Trend highlights the Seltos' peppy engine options, well-tuned suspension and comprehensive safety features. The Seltos has consistently ranked among the top compact SUVs, surpassing rivals such as the Honda HR-V, Toyota CHR, and Mazda CX-30. Experts appreciate the Seltos' blend of style, practicality and value, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or an empty nester, the 2024 Kia Seltos offers something for everyone. The 2024 Kia Seltos is available in a range of trims, each offering a unique combination of features and value. The entry-level LX trim provides a great starting point, with features such as LED headlights, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and Kia DriveWise. The S trim builds upon the LX, adding features such as 17-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and blind spot monitoring. The X trim offers even more refinement, with features such as heated front seats, a sunroof, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and a wireless phone charger. The top-of-the-line SX Turbo trim comes loaded with features such as 18-inch alloy wheels, a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a Bose audio system, and leather upholstery. With such a diverse lineup, you're sure to find the perfect 2024 Kia Seltos to fit your needs and budget. The 2024 Kia Seltos is more than just a compact SUV, it's a statement. It's a statement that says you're stylish, you're practical, and you demand the best. With its bold design, advanced technology, and commitment to safety, the Seltos is ready to take on your next adventure. Visit your local Kia dealership today to experience the 2024 Seltos for yourself. Take it for a test drive, explore its features, and discover why the Seltos is the perfect compact SUV for your modern life. The Kia Seltos is waiting for you. Don't just drive, experience the drive.